Hey, it's Jack here. Today we're in Fouke, Arkansas, home of the Boggy Creek Monster. Out in front of Monster Mart. Let's go inside, check it out. Oh, here he is. Monster Mart, Fouke, Arkansas, home of the Boggy Creek Monster. And here we can see him hanging out in the hammock. And over here, there's a Boggy Creek Monster checking us out from the creek. Well, we come on in here and we see all sorts of stuff for the Boggy Creek Monster, all sorts of merchandise. They also have a museum back here telling us no merchandise beyond this point. Well, we don't have any merchandise. We'll just go check out the museum. We'll start over here off to our right. We've got photos here. We've got tracks that people have made. Here you've got the slipper looking thing there, put on your shoe and run around and make the track of the Boggy Creek Monster. Various articles from the newspaper on the Boggy Creek Monster. Over here we've got one laying down here, right there. Here's Return to Boggy Creek. I first heard about the Boggy Creek Monster from a documentary of sorts from the 1970s called The Legend of Boggy Creek. And it is available on Amazon Prime if you have that, search for it. And you'll be able to watch it for yourself. Speaking of which, right here is a movie poster for that very same movie I was just talking about. Oh, this is cool right here. They've got a model of the Monster Mart. Same building we're in currently. Go over here and we got the Monster Mart, and we've got two Boggy Creek Monsters and plus a small one right there in the middle, giving us a greeting. Over here, this is Bigfoot Country. They show us the map of California, which is kind of funny, right here in the middle of Arkansas to have map of California. Over here we've got some stuff in the case. We got the VHS tape, as well as a Fouke Monster record right there, 45. Come over here, we got other news articles and pictures and so forth. Down below here it says swamp boots worn by Lyle Blackburn during various expeditions from 2009 to 2024. Over here there's some more newspaper articles down below there. You got the camp out from years past. Have some drawings here from school kids. They got the skull of a wild hog right here. And these are Fouke, Arkansas. These are track casts made by Nick McIntyre. And over here on the wall, they've got more newspaper articles related to the Boggy Creek Monster. Now we checked out the museum, we'll check out the merchandise they have here. They got the Beast of Boggy Creek, other Boggy Creek Monster related books here. They got coffee mugs, spoon holders. Down below, more mugs. Up here they've got little sipper cups, aka shot glasses right over here. And then if you're looking for the world's tiniest Bigfoot, they've got you covered right here. Got your Bigfoot playing cards and your snow globes over here. Down below there's more coffee mugs. Over here, Amazing Adventures for Your Brain, Bigfoot activity book. Inside the store they have some shirts available. This is my favorite. For the little tykes over here, they've got clothing. Monster Mart, Fouke, Arkansas is what those read. They got your little Bigfoot believer on board, and you've got a little stuffed Bigfoot there. Over here they've got more merchandise. They've got your stickers, your magnets. You've got your stuffed guys here, your pickled quail eggs and stuff like that. Not monster related, but still in the store here. And over here they've got things that keep your car fresh right there. In this rack they've got magnets available. Let's take a look, see the various magnets they've got. They even have a Boggy Creek Monster duck right there. Over here they've got signs. They sell for $15.99 each. Wondering if there is life after death? Trespass here and find out. And they got the Boggy Creek Monster looking at you there. Over here they've got your koozies. They've got itty bitty Bigfoot right there. Down here they've got air fresheners. Here in the center section they've got various ball caps with Bigfoot on there. That brings us to the regular part of the store. They do have pizza available, Hunt Brothers Pizza. Got your drinks over here. Got your Bluebell ice cream down in here. And they got the smaller things of Bluebell ice cream here. And just above the Bluebell, you don't look up, you'll miss it. You got a bunch of Boggy Creek monsters hanging out, having a party here. Looks like they got the Triple X going on with the jugs. Looks like one guy over here has been catfishing. This guy's been turtling. This one over here has been catching some frogs. Looks like you got an armadillo right there who is hiding out from the Boggy Creek monster party that's occurring here. We come straight back over here. They got your candy. They've got some ice over here. Back here, you've got your milk, your pop, and so forth. Back here, you got your energy drinks, you got your sports drinks, and more energy drinks and regular water right there. And the center section, if you're wanting to kick back and enjoy your pizza, you can do so right here. Throughout the store, they've got everything related to Boggy Creek Monsters, Monster Mart themed Dr. Pepper stand, you can see here. And straight in the back there, we got the Boggy Creek Monster looking at us from the top of the coolers there. The Boggy Creek Monster Trail right here. They've got the different stops and so forth right here at the Fouke Monster Mart. They have other things here that you can stop and look at. On the back side, it gives you all those addresses to check out. And when you come in, make sure to look down, because you'll see a welcome to Monster Mart as well as a painting of the Boggy Creek Monster. Over here in the corner next to Joey Logano, they have information on their location here, Monster Mart. There's the address, there's a phone number. I'll also leave down below in the description their social media information where you can follow them. A lot of fun. Come out here, check this out for yourself. I hope you enjoyed this tour of Boggy Creek Monster Mart here in Fouke, Arkansas. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and we'll catch you on the next one.